Hello guys, welcome back to the Bitcoin information. Today I gonna share you a good news about baby doggy coin. Baby doggy coin will be listed on Binance. Really, it's so hot news for baby doggy coin holder. You are ready for big profit. So today we'll discuss you about everything. At first we just focus the news. So you can see that baby Dogecoin current rank 247, current price you can see that 0.01505, and you can see that lower low last 24 hours. So we're gonna move on the baby doggy coin news. See that a very important news, baby doggy coin to be listed on Binance after they cross the 1 million holder mark. So we know that about Shiba Inu already reached 1 million plus holder. Baby doggy coin just few days ago reached 1 million plus holder. It's very necessary to be listed on the Binance exchange site. You can see that baby doggy coin crossed the 1 million holder mark on November 27, 2021. So you can see that we just focus a article, which article related Binance CEO CAZ. He told an interview when asked a mentor, when you list a coin on Binance platform, they told us if a coin has a large numbers of users, then we will list. So if one coin got the large number of user or holder, then Binance will definitely list on the Binance Plus platform for the main reason holder plus and user. So already we know baby doggy coin reached 1 million plus. So it's really good time to buy some baby doggy coin. You can see that a baby doggy coin post, hey CZ Binance, we just crossed 1 million baby doggy coin holder. And you can also focus the coin telegraph. They also ask Binance CZ to list to attention about baby doggy coin to list on. We already basically know baby doggy coin already has lot of platform, NFT platform, game platform and exchange platform. So this also everything look good for listing on Binance exchange. Let's see what happens. If Binance will list baby doggy coin, it will be very skyrocket and you will get lot of profit if you buy current price right now. So right now we just arrive baby doggy technical analysis. You can see that baby doggy coin technical analysis on 4-hour chart. It's really nice look to buy baby doggy coin. You can see that 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, a strong support here. Doggy baby coin at the current price, a strong support position. So if you are buy without any risk, because you can see that here a strong support 4 time, 5 time. So it's a very strong support zone, demand zone. If you want to buy some baby doggy coin here, then you will definitely profit short term and long term, mid term. Your mid term sell target will be 2000 and a long term 3000, 4000, even 5000 more. When Binance will be list this coin, you can see that everything look going okay. So you just put a small amount of baby doggy coin on your Trust Wallet, PancakeSwap and other exchange site. You can also purchase this baby doggy coin. So buy, sell and trade your own risks. Before you buy or investing any online platform, you must research your own. So end of the video, I just remember you can join my Telegram channel where I can post free signal, of course everything free here. So let's check the description video, and if you want to learn cryptocurrency trading, then you can contact us for proper training. So see you later, bye bye.